9 mistakes you should never make to avoid muscle loss. After 40. For men, maintaining and increasing muscle mass is crucial for a healthier and more active life as we age. Therefore, in today's video, we will highlight the 9 most common mistakes you should never make to avoid muscle loss after 40, and how you can avoid them to ensure that your muscle mass and health remain high. I'll give you a heads up that you need to be very careful with mistake number 1, as it may be causing your muscle loss. Number 9. Ignoring strength training. As you turn 40, your muscle mass naturally decreases, a process known as sarcopenia. In men over 40, sarcopenia can start rapidly or slowly, depending on lifestyle. For example, in men over 40 with healthy habits like regular exercise, this loss is about 40% to 60% less than in sedentary men who do not engage in physical activity. Therefore, it is recommended that men from the age of 30 take steps to slow this process. We will explain in this video how to avoid and delay sarcopenia, so it is crucial for men over 40 to engage in strength training regularly, as it is essential for maintaining and increasing muscle mass and bone density as you age. But what happens when you ignore strength training? When you skip strength training, there is an increase in muscle mass and bone density loss, which can accelerate over time. A recent study showed that strength training, such as bench presses and weightlifting, can help combat sarcopenia and osteoporosis by stimulating muscle protein synthesis and increasing bone mineral density in your body. Therefore, I recommend incorporating this training into your exercise routine. Include weightlifting exercises such as squats, bench presses, and deadlifts in your routine for better results. Ideally, these activities should be performed 3 times a week on average, but always remember to get the help of a friend or personal trainer to assist with the gradual increase in load. Number 8. Neglecting recovery. Muscle recovery is extremely important and fundamental for training, but it is often neglected and little discussed here on YouTube. As you turn 40, your muscles change, and with that, the time needed for recovery after intense workouts may increase. If recovery time was previously 48 hours, it might now be around 50 hours. Have you noticed this difference in your body? But what are the consequences of inadequate recovery? Lack of recovery can lead to overtraining, characterized by chronic muscle fatigue, decreased performance, and an increased risk of injuries during workouts. You may feel your body heavier and more fatigued even before finishing your workout. This is a sign that your body is indicating you need more recovery time for that muscle. Studies show that proper muscle recovery is vital for muscle regeneration and maintaining health. Insufficient recovery can decrease training effectiveness and increase the risk of bone problems as it prolongs. Number 7. Not adjusting your diet. Diet plays a critical role in maintaining muscle mass and bone density, especially at 40 when your nutritional needs change. To ensure better results, your diet needs to be aligned with your workouts and goals. But what is the impact of diet on your muscle and bone health? If your diet isn't adjusted, inadequate intake of proteins and essential nutrients can accelerate muscle and bone loss. Therefore, diet is crucial in this new phase of life. I dare say that diet accounts for about 70% of your results for men over 40, while the remaining 30% comes from workouts. Tell me, do you agree or not? Leave your opinion in the comments. A recent study showed that diets rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D are essential for preserving muscle and bone health in men over 40. Without proper nutrition, the body may not have the necessary resources to maintain muscle, mass, and bone density. Remember, your body is a combination of diet, training, and mindset. Keep these 3 factors aligned to achieve good results. Adjust your diet by including lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, and legumes, and consume foods rich in calcium such as spinach, broccoli, and dairy products. Make variations to improve results. Also, ensure you get vitamin D through sun exposure and foods like salmon and fortified products. Let's move on to number 7. Remember, number 3 is the most important on this list, so stay tuned until the end so you don't miss it. Number 6. Not prioritizing protein. Protein is crucial for muscle building and maintenance, especially after 40 for men, as you will need more protein to combat age-related muscle loss. Inadequate protein intake can accelerate muscle loss and impair recovery after exercise, which is fundamental for muscle gain and maintenance in your body. Studies have shown that adequate protein intake is important for maintaining muscle mass and strength in men over 40. As without sufficient protein, your body may struggle to repair and build muscle. Therefore, distribute your protein intake throughout your meals from breakfast to dinner, including lean protein sources such as chicken breast, fish, eggs, and dairy products. But remember to avoid highly processed foods, as they will undermine your diet and muscles. I know these foods are very common for us Americans, especially here in the United States, but remember, they destroy your health and muscle mass. A key tip is to consider distributing protein intake throughout the day to maximize muscle protein synthesis. This can be done through small meals and snacks between main meals rich in protein. Number 5. Not drinking enough water. Drinking water is essential for the proper functioning of our body, as adequate hydration is crucial for muscle function and bone health, especially after 40. Dehydration can negatively affect muscle performance and recovery, and can have severe effects on your health. What are the effects of insufficient water? Lack of water can lead to reduced muscle efficiency, meaning your muscles won't function as well due to dehydration. This increases the risk of fatigue and cramps. Adequate hydration is linked to better muscle function and reduced fatigue, which improves your workouts and speeds up the muscle recovery process. Water is essential for nutrient transport and the removal of metabolic waste, crucial for muscle health and recovery. How to ensure adequate hydration? Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day and adjust your intake based on the intensity and duration of exercise. Always bring your bottle to workouts and consider including beverages that help replenish electrolytes and maintain hydration. A tip is to monitor the color of your urine as an indicator of your hydration. Clear urine generally indicates good hydration, while dark urine may signal dehydration. Number 4. Not doing body weight exercises. Body weight exercises are effective for strengthening muscles and bones and require no special equipment. They can be done at home and are very important for men over 40. These exercises can be a practical and effective alternative to complement weight training at the gym, providing various benefits such as improving muscle strength, bone density, mobility, and flexibility. Research has shown that bodyweight exercises, such as push-ups and squats, can be as effective as weight training for improving muscle strength and bone density. Therefore, it is important to include these exercises in your workout, combining strength, mobility, and flexibility to optimize your results. Examples of bodyweight exercises include push-ups, squats, planks, and burpees. These exercises can be done at home or at the gym and are an excellent way to complement strength training. Number 3. Ignoring mental health. Mental health plays a crucial role in physical health, including maintaining muscle mass and bone density. Issues such as chronic stress and emotional problems can negatively impact your physical well-being and, consequently, hinder muscle gain and maintenance, especially in men over 40. How does chronic stress affect muscle and bone health? Chronic stress can lead to elevated levels of cortisol, a hormone that, when increased over prolonged periods, can contribute to muscle loss and consequently to bone density loss. Research has shown that excess cortisol can cause loss of bone and muscle mass. How to manage stress? It is essential to adopt stress management practices such as meditation, yoga, and breathing techniques. Studies show that these practices can reduce cortisol levels and improve overall body health. Besides workouts, set aside time for activities you find relaxing and enjoyable to help maintain mental health and, consequently, physical health. Mental and physical health go hand in hand and should be prioritized in your life. Number 2. Ignoring the importance of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have a significant impact on muscle and bone health. They have anti-inflammatory properties and can help maintain joint and muscle health, especially after 40. At this stage, it is important to pay more attention to recurring issues such as inflammation and joint problems, which are more common in men over 40. Why not ignore omega-3? Omega-3s provide benefits such as reducing muscle inflammation, which often occurs after intense workouts, and improving muscle function. Studies by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have shown that omega-3 supplementation can increase muscle protein synthesis and improve strength in men over 40. Additionally, these fatty acids can help preserve bone density and reduce the risk of fractures during heavier workouts, such as weightlifting and bench presses at the gym. How to include omega-3 in your diet? Include sources of omega-3, such as fish, salmon, sardines, and tuna, in your diet. Opting for fresh fish instead of canned is better, as canned fish can contain additives that harm health. Additionally, consider plant sources like flax seeds and walnuts. If necessary, consider supplementation with fish oil, but always consult a nutritionist to adjust your diet. Before we talk about number 1, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and activate the notification bell to get an alert whenever we release a new video. I would also like to know, which of these mistakes are you or were you making? Leave your comment. Number 1. Ignoring the role of magnesium and phosphorus. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating muscle function and bone formation, while phosphorus is essential for bone and teeth formation and maintenance. A recent study conducted in the United States revealed that deficiencies in these minerals can negatively impact bone density and muscle function. Therefore, ensuring adequate intake of magnesium and phosphorus is crucial for bone and muscle health. How to ensure adequate intake? Include foods rich in magnesium and phosphorus in your diet. For magnesium, consume almonds, spinach, and avocados. For phosphorus, include lean meats, fish, and dairy products. If you have difficulty meeting your nutritional needs through diet alone, consider supplementation with magnesium and phosphorus. However, always consult a nutritionist to adjust your diet and achieve the best results. Before you go, don't forget to watch the video that's popping up on your screen. See you there!